Oh yeah, starting the day. Look at already.
I've got plenty of mine, a special thing in store. Tonight looks like my day, so get up and play, 'cause you never feel this way.
What up? We're back in the shop again. We got Big Red back in the shop, and guess what? It is time for an oil change. So I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a Ford F-150. Here's what we're working with. Pretty easy steps. You're going to need a drain pan, a way to get under the vehicle. Now, one thing I suggest when you're doing an oil change, if you're doing it for the first time for yourself, is I like to buy these little jugs. They're about $6 when you're done changing your oil from your pan. You put it in here and you go have it exposed up properly. So let's get in and let's do an oil change. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our shop skateboard. If you don't have one, you can just slide underneath it. I'm a totally wore a white shirt to do this, which was not smart. But that's what I'm gonna try using my shop skateboard. So let's go down under. All right, we're gonna locate your drain plug. Mine is right there, which I have no light. Mine is a 7/8. We're gonna loosen that off. Yeah, I've already got it loose. Again, it's a 7/8. And see how much oil comes out. There we go. Now we let it drain. All right, it's been a couple minutes since we pulled the drain plug, let it drain. We're gonna go back under, put the plug back in, and move to the other side of the vehicle. Now on my Ford F-150, the drain plug is on the passenger side and the oil filter is on the driver's side. Imagine that, you can't pull them both at the same time or you make a big mess, unless you have two pans. Which I do, but my other one's where I put my filters. So we're gonna crawl back in, put the plug back in, and then head to the other side and put the filter on. All right, we're down to like just barely drippy, so we're gonna go ahead and put the drain plug back in. All right, now this is where it's gonna get some tricky. There's the oil filter, right? I think you just spin it off and be able to catch the oil come straight down. I've done one of these before, but it likes to come down and run off this cross member or stuff like that. So I usually plan on getting wet. So let's grab our filter wrench, find out which size I need because I only have two different ones, and see if we can try not to get wet. See if I can set the camera up and catch this. It's kind of hard. Alright, well, my camera decided not to work for a second and restart, but like I said, the filter is right here on the driver's side, and trying to get our tool in there and not make a big old mess is gonna be a pain in the butt. Oh, wow, somebody didn't put it on amazingly tight like they normally do. So let's try to get our pan to where we can catch it, because that's gonna be a pain. Oh, I got it. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I hope you can see me. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our new oil filter. We're gonna take a dab of oil and stick it around this ring, so when we put it back on. Before I do that, I want to make sure on the old filter that this ring came off if it's not still on the motor, because if you stick a double ring on there, it'll eventually start to leak. I feel like my hair's a mess, but oh well. Yeah, so we'll get down there, put a little oil on there, and screw it back on. Hand tight. You don't need to put the tool on there and crank it down. Just screw it on, and as much as you can with your hand. Not that, no more. No more. An oil change guy or some mechanic will hate you if you use a tool to tighten it down. Alright, so we're about to get back under the truck. I pulled the drain pan out. All we gotta do is just make sure this rubber seal is on here. As long as it's on here, then we're good to go. Now I got a little oil on my finger and a little oil on this ring. and then reinstall. That's all. Alright, well there's the hole we're working with. You stick your oil filter up there, wiggle it around till you find the threads. Just screw it on back on. And again, hand tight. No tools needed. That's good. Now we can put oil in it. Take our funnel, stick it in, and slowly add the oil. Try not to spill like I am. There you go. This truck holds, I think it said 5 quarts, but I'm doing 4 quarts and 1 quart of conditioner of BG's motor additive. Stick your dipstick in, check your level. We're just past full, so now we can start the truck. Let the oil filter suck some up, and we should be done. So that's how you do an oil change on a 92 Ford F150 to 97. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Maybe you can do your own oil changes, save you a little bit of time. Well, it's a little bit, not a little bit of time, but a little bit of money. Because normally when you go to a lube change place, they always find stuff that you didn't know it needed. So yeah, I think this oil change cost me $32 total. That's with the oil filter, air filter, oil, and a new set of wiper blades I think I got. No, it was like $42 with the wiper blades. Of course, I got some cheapo wiper blades, but I hadn't put them on yet. But remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Hopefully you stick around, and hope to see you every Thursday. Goodbye.